All right. Hey again, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well and happy Wednesday. We're here with just the instructions for today. That's all you'll see for Wednesday. And so this is May 6th, 2020. These are instructions and help for what you can do for turning in possibly Friday's assignment. Okay. Um, yeah, I hope you guys are doing well, and let's just go ahead and jump on into it. So right off the bat, you'll see the video here once it's uploaded, and go from there. Anyway, underneath it, you'll see submit minor grade from yesterday, May 4th, 2020 is here. So I think that's supposed to say May 5th, so I'll have to fix that. Anyway, just in case if you happen to not turn in that grade yet and you're on this here, just don't forget to turn in your connection between the text and essential question is due by the end of the week. So don't forget to turn in Tuesday's assignment. It's due by the end of the week, and it's a minor grade. And so I explain all that in yesterday's video. You can click this button here to go back to it as well. So here's the project reminder for next week. I already went through everything, and you can find this video right here on going through all this right here. It's just a reminder and understanding of what that project entails and just how much it is. I know it seems overwhelming. Let me just say this. This week, you are choosing one story and answering that using ACE. That's your short answer. That same story you're going to use with your project next week. In your project, it can be any of the choices here. It can be super simple as a drawing and explains the theme, things like that, right? So just look at that video. It seems overwhelming and a lot, but honestly, you're doing the writing this week, really. Unless you choose the essay choice, you're doing most of the writing this week, making your project more kind of arts and crafts stuff. Hopefully, you guys that enjoy that. Just watch the video and you'll see how it works. Anyway, the main thing for Wednesday that'll help you with Friday's assignment is right here. So you're gonna read here first, then you're gonna notice, and then you're gonna write. And so this is just general writing. It can be free writing, it's up to you, but this is just the example and it's showing what we're learning this week for our writing in general. And so it says, read this week's mentor sentence comes from Jason Reynolds' novel, Patina. Um, so mentor sentence meanings the when I'm on the camera in class and I'm writing something down, that's like the mentor text, right? Or the mentor writing, right? That's just the main example, okay? Patina is the second novel in Reynolds' Track series, which is about a group of kids who are trying to make it into the Junior Olympics. Ghost was actually the first novel. Before they can make it, they have to prove themselves to each other and to themselves. Here's a picture of it right here. As you can see, it's just a picture of them on a track, to give you that more imagery, right? At this point in the story, Ghost, which is one of the characters, or who is one of the characters, has false started his race and has to race again. So basically, he false started. So before if anyone starts the race before this guy shoots the gun, it's a false start. So once he shoots the gun, that's when they go, right? And here's what the sentence says. The starter held the gun in the air again. My stomach flipped over again. The man pulled the trigger again. Boom! Again, notice how boom is italicized in a different color? That's our craft and what we're learning today. So notice, pay close attention to the onomatopoeia, boom, at the end of the excerpt, which is this right here, an excerpt. Jason Reynolds uses onomatopoeia to add sensory detail and description to help the reader create a mental image of the scene. So onomatopoeia is a figure of speech in which words evoke the actual sound of the thing they refer to or describe. The tick of a clock or a ding dong and a ding dong of a doorbell are examples of onomatopoeia. Okay, you guys have seen onomatopoeia before. Hopefully that helps you guys. And then remember you should be writing daily. You have 3 options to choose from today. Select just one, include onomatopoeia in your writing. So again, this week you'll be asked to share your writing from the week, which is going to be on Friday, right? Turning that in for an other grade. So here are your 3 options. You can do a free write. It can be whatever you want it to be about as long as it includes onomatopoeia. You can do option 2. You start a new entry with a line from something you've read. Lines can come from any source such as Padlet text, so the stories we chose from before, your choice reading, any story, book, show, movie, whatever. If you want to pull something from that and take some of those lines that the author used, use it in your own story and finish up your own story with that. Totally your choice as long as you use onomatopoeia. Or option 3, you can write a paragraph response to the kindness challenge prompts of the day. You can see these challenges by clicking here. So click on this here, that's all blue and underlined, and it'll take you to a website that shows all the 30-day kindness challenges, and you can totally write about one of those. If you did one of those, try to include onomatopoeia as well, right? Because that's the goal. Choice reading, I've talked about it already before. If you've watched any videos earlier this week, it's just recommended, not a grade. I do encourage you to read, though, daily if you can, even just for 5 minutes. It makes a difference in your life, I promise. Anyway, that's it for this video. I don't want to run it on too long. But again, I love and miss you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the Wednesday, or whatever. Have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday, whatever day you're having, or watching this video. Whatever day you're watching this video. I'm starting to mess up. I'm gonna go. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you on the next video. All right. Bye.